And of course, it's another Wednesday. We have to tell you, AM Biz is brought to you by EcoBank. And as we all know, it's the Pan-African Bank. And this morning, we're talking many things as we can have. And as far as we're concerned, we'll also bring you many things. And today, we're talking about savings, or as we call it in local parlance, Susu. And do you know that Susu collection has evolved from door-to-door to an online collection? And today, on AM Biz, Fauziatu Adam explores the evolution of Susu business here in Ghana and has more in this report.
Ideally, Susu collectors would have to go round to collect their Susu from their clients. But right now, with the emergence of social media and the mobile money, Susu collectors have their clientele under one platform to collect Susu. You don't need to be present to take your money, because your money can easily be sent to you via mobile money. So this is a WhatsApp platform that has about 15 members, and then they contribute and then they give their monies out for every week. So everybody contributes at the end of every week, and then voila, you get your mobile money. You don't need to see face-to-face with the Susu collector. The people on the platform don't even know themselves. But at the end of the day, they get their monies intact. And that's how Susu has evolved now due to social media and due to mobile money. David Tibil is a butcher at Malata Market who has been selling meat for over 5 years now. He saves in a group on a weekly rotational basis.
I group about 15. There are every Saturday
we contribute in a group of 15. Every Saturday we give it to someone.
Oh, fine. Normal.
How much do you, for example, like, how is it like? How much do you pay and how much?
No, I say every week from Monday to Saturday. No,
it is good. Every week we get 100 cedis, so they can't run away with our money.
David doesn't believe in banks for one simple reason: they will run away with his money.
It's a risk of bank. Because
One year experience with a bank, so
my since 2009 credit union, you have 4,000 plus a journey. Give from me service.
Auntie Vida, who sells oranges, does not believe in David's mode of saving. She would rather contribute to Susu with different microfinance companies and withdraw as and when she wants.
I do Susu at Parkwesi Indum 5 cedis and also at Tobinko 5 cedis.
Misigano, me Parkwesi Indum 5 cedis, and I may be Tombiko.
And another place 2 cedis 50 pesos.
And they're getting 2 cedis 50 pesos. And they know said I made it
I have never saved in the bank. I will never do banking.
What is our bank that I mean? Say, Sika, no quackaji for loan.
Susu, which is derived from the Akan language, means small, to show the saving contribution of people on daily basis. Susu collection is an ancient traditional way of banking in Ghana. The clientele of Susu collectors spans through traders, salaried workers, artisans, among others. Emmanuel Susu owns Fidelio, a Susu company located at Tiptoe Lane at Circle. He has been running his business for over 5 years now. The general manager of Fidelio tells me about the impact of the current banking crisis on their Susu business.
I'll say a yes, and then it's on the positive and the negative. You know, any issue that, let's say, happens, it comes with gains and negatives. As the leading brands, or I'll say the tier 1 banks or institutions are showing some signs of problems to the public, it also gives us the opportunity to come out with good options or alternatives to the saving public. Because the negative side is people will come out and say, if the tier 1 institutions are failing, then how much more you, the Susu institution? But that also gives us the opportunity to come out with alternatives and then make a case that we are the traditional or the status of the banking activity.
General Manager of Ghana Cooperative Susu Collectors Association, Obed Asimini, lamented the collapse of the 7 banks within a year has caused fear among their clientele.
Seriously, there's an impact on the development. Currently, the current development in the financial sector is having huge impact on Susu collectors because the confidence of the customers is waning. It has waned. Already we had the issue of runaway Susu collectors that they were dealing with, which the association was dealing with. But currently with our big brothers in the sector also going down, then eventually the market women will tell you, if the big banks are now having challenges, what about you Susu collectors? But one of the things that the Susu collector has, which is an advantage, and the people who really patronize Susu collectors, is that, you know, they are timely. It's a door-to-door step sort of service, even on weekends. And you know, most of our market women don't operate formal bank accounts, and really those even who operate bank accounts, some of them don't have these ATMs that they can go and do withdrawals over the weekend on Sundays and Saturdays. However, the Susu collector is handy. Any emergency situation, they are able to give and pay depositors. And so this so makes them competitive, and it's traditional. Susu collection has been with us since 16th century. That is what the documentations are saying, and this has been with us. And most of the banks have tried severally to mimic the Susu methodology and has been successful. So in the whole, it has had impact, but again, we remain relevant, and we are trying to assist our members by again going to the market to educate the market women on how they should have confidence in our members and continue to save with them.
So I could literally count over 20 Susu companies, or let's say savings and loans companies, from the Malata Junction through to this Sadisco traffic light, which shows that the Susu business is a lucrative one in Ghana. But recently, with what is happening in the banking sector, many people have lost hope in Susu collectors and in the banking sectors. Or maybe some might have argued that the best way to save your money is with the Susu box. For Joy Business, Fauzia to Adam.
And that was a good one there. And talking about AMBiz is brought to you by EcoBank. And as always, enjoying quality time with family and friends is memorable when you have a perfect, dependable partner. The EcoBank Visa card or MasterCard is that easy payment in shop and online. And EcoBank cards are accepted within Ghana and everywhere around the world for easy, hassle-free payment. And get an EcoBank Visa card or MasterCard for the payment of your bills, shopping, dining, and purchase of cinema tickets, for example. This in every holiday season. No need to carry the cash. That is, all you need to do is the EcoBank Visa card or MasterCard, which gives you access to your account 24/7 and also on all ATMs and point of sale terminals across the world. Go on, enjoy easy payment that is always secured at your favorite shop or restaurant, and also online with your EcoBank Visa card or MasterCard, and make payments a breeze this and every holiday season. EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank. And that's it for AMBiz. But as always, we have a great conversation. We told you Kojo Yankson is having that conversation with Dr. Ekospio Gabra. I know you enjoy it.